Hello，大家好。今日我哋一齊學嘅一句叫做 cost an arm and a leg。cost an arm and a leg 呢一句點解呢？其實就係話一樣嘢好貴咁樣解。So cost an arm and a leg means something very expensive or costly。咁我哋一齊睇下以下嘅例句。
I love that dress, but it cost an arm and a leg.
尋日有學生同我講話 Miss Wong， 我真係好想買最新嗰個 iPhone 17啊，不過實在太貴啦。咁如果你用英文講嘅話，就係 The new iPhone 17 cost an arm and a leg, but I really want to get one。咁如果你覺得呢個 video 有用嘅話，記住 save 低佢咯喎。咁下一堂見啦 ，See you next lesson，拜拜。